Did somebody say that Majabu Gospel is coming to the United States?
Yes, Majabu Gospel is coming to America.
Pour la toute première fois, Majabu Gospel aux États-Unis d'Amérique.
On the 16th of January, it is happening in Portland, Maine. An amazing, life-changing and epic concert.
Et le 23 janvier 2022, bien sûr, à Dallas, Texas.
Je peux m'imaginer combien la gloire de Dieu sera présente.
For 2022, it's gonna be glorious.
The whole Majabu Gospel team will be there. And we cannot wait to share this moment with you.
Retenez ça très bien. Le 16 janvier 2022, nous sommes à Portland, Maine. Et le 23 janvier 2022, à Dallas, Texas.
Invite a friend, save these 2 dates, because you don't want to miss it.
And I hope to see you there.
Soyez bénis.
Mbongo na poto en échange de mbimbi na kin tolobi Nazareta, c'est vraiment du sérieux. Donc Nazareta ezali solo ya mbimbi na système mbongo wa shingom de toloba toujours. Mbongo wa shingom ezali ba mbongo auto négligeaka, même un petit rien, même un petit ya mukie okoki kobenga ndeko na yo Porsche aroya azui pona ko aider bandeko o bazana Kinshasa kuna poto servir bango mbimbi. Donc tozo banda à partir à $10 tilikolo obengi ndeko na yo aye azui na kini bako servi bandeko na yo mbimbi. Bonne année à tous. Tolobi na fête oyo ya fin de l'année. Toko papa ya fresh ngulu, toko papa lisusu ntaba nangombe e Nazareta okwei batiki yo. Donc Nazareth tozela bino ebele pesa biso confiance. Merci na ba oyo nyonso ba pesi biso confiance même na ba pays étranger. Boya ebele vraiment Nazareth c'est du sérieux.
Voilà, merci mesdames et messieurs, les abonnés de Sarato la télévision, les abonnés de Top Media Télévision, soyez les bienvenus. Moi, c'est votre frère Tadingalapa. My name is Tadingalapa. I'm présentateur is cette émission.
Non.
Let me finish my introduction.
Take it.
Je suis Tadingalapa. Je pense que pas mal de temps, mon akingaïté avec ma très chère Sarato là, OP Belé, Balobi et Toye Psakibino Bakopanenya. Bozelati Mukomboso Akobota Mukila, donc nous sommes là. C'était juste dit à moi, nous autres et Tungisamaki. Moi, malade de Kota Kinzoto, mais les bons écran à Salina Markenaye. Voilà pourquoi le lot, Toye Kozong et la Sous Moussala. Liboso Nabino, une nouvelle année. Oyo Ezoko s'annonçait déjà, nous sommes presque à la fin de cette année. Nzambe azwa lokumu machanzo lipe ezonge panaye. Sincèrement, cette émission ça va vous faire du bien. Cette émission c'est le tout premier numéro. Il y a Ndegeto qui est vers la fin de l'année. Il y a émission Oyo. Vous savez l'anglais 2022 et mon cas qui batu ebele. Bandeko balandi internet pe ezokopé la moto. Internet ezopé la moto. Internet eza ya kozika. Internet makambo ezali ebele. Et beaucoup de personnes basela qui au moins analyse ya plateau Oyo. Analyse de cette dame au nom de Saratola. Mais affaire beta yango kara. Ko kipe yango te. Ko tala yango te. Ko tchaku tata accenté. Ils ont continué. Isobel Sabato Maboma. Pourquoi Isobel Sabato Maboma? Merci beaucoup à ma meilleure fan du monde, de près ou de loin. Le président Bébé, maman Nathalie Nana Moussibou, Angelos Karouane, Sol Labambemba, Fato de Conti, Makia La Kumba. Un grand merci encore une fois à maman Bijon Ketani, maman Bana 90%. Maman, je portais des lunettes, pas de choix. Un grand merci à papa Jean-Pascal Leka, boss. Papa Jean-Pascal, merci beaucoup pour nos messages conseils. Maman Deborah Lubanda, Kilo Amera Calgary. Maman Zozo, la femme de papa Noé Mabakala Nzinga, mis le respect Nabino. Et pourquoi pas na maman Yvette Mbangu, Bino Baignon Sobobolinga.
I farming is spotted.
Tozali awa lelo avec Saratola, Tope Sabino Makambo Malonga, Makambo Bino Bolingaka Mingi. Mais j'aimerais à ce que cette émission que nous commençons ça en anglais. Ça sera juste pour 10 petites minutes, juste en anglais. Une façon, il y a ko yeba soki pena. Anglais ango pena et kota ki sara moi malamu. Bon de livre, ceux qui te le langage moko oko font déjà plateau, hein? Une façon pour nous ya kozwa déjà
I porting is my lunette is here. I porting.
In question.
Is me I know aveugle. Me I know aveugle. I know aveugle.
Mam se spirinto stampo.
Yes, me I know aveugle. I porting my lunette is here for emission.
You insult
for
me
concordance. No insult you. Me I speak is my lunette is no aveugle. Me I view. You I porte lunette is aveugle.
Ah, me no t'apporte my lunette is aveugle. Yeah, no. No. Hey, you acheting is news telephone.
Yes.
Yeah. You is a boss lady. Eh?
Yes. Me I boss lady.
Yeah.
From Tatapo. Me I acheted his phone is 2000. Phone is here, Daddy.
Yes. You
phone is here.
You panzing your phone is here. You panzing.
Me I panzing. Yes. I panzing for here is farming.
Yeah.
It's good.
It's good. Beauty. Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
His telephone is deputy.
Yes.
Ministry.
Yes. I see. Yeah.
Governor.
Yeah.
Is president.
Yes. Is president. Is porting is here.
Is here.
Yes.
Is the president is porting is here. Yes.
You is money beaucoup.
Ah, Daddy.
You is money beaucoup.
Me no money beaucoup. Me I money petty.
No, you are setting is here is money beaucoup.
Money is petty. Money is petty.
No, you is money beaucoup.
No.
Mam,
no flatting. You is devening is aveugle.
No.
Why?
No like this. I don't know aveugle. I porting because I not supporting luminosity.
Luminosity.
Yes, luminosity time. Yeah.
No time. Luminosity.
Luminosity time.
No time. Luminosity.
Luminosity.
Nota. Luminosity.
No tie. Luminosity.
No tie, luminosity.
No tie, luminosity.
You, I speak luminosity.
Me, I speak luminosity.
You crazy?
I crazy.
Yes. I comprehend you, I be crazy.
Yeah, I crazy, yeah. I crazy. Lil no busy Thai. Yes, crazy.
Yes, crazy. You are crazy.
Yeah, I crazy. Lil no busy Thai. Yes, yes. Mais I call you speaking mom's Dinana give you money beaucoup.
Ah, Mams Dinana, I call me for Bandalungwa.
Yeah. You parting.
Me, I parting. I arrived. I cutting Mams. I
couture.
No, défrisage.
Yeah. Défrisage is a chevy.
His hair.
His. Comprenez mon émotion.
You aveugle. You kosu.
Moi ban. Not is aveugle. Yeah.
No. Linette is aveugle.
You tree is fair. Tree is fair. You parting, you cutting.
I parting chez boss lady Dinana. I coming. I insisted. No, Saratola is my ear. Is my sister. My fire.
Come on, yeah.
You comprehend?
Yes, I comprehend. Yeah.
You understand?
Yes, you understand. Yeah.
I speak it is a ouverture. My cheveux is a défrisage.
Yes.
Boss lady is pay.
Is pay your cheveux.
Your cheveux.
Yeah.
Is pay. I parting is envelope.
Money beaucoup.
Non, petit.
You giving me petit money.
No, me
Me
I
is
give. No. Me I speak.
Please,
Me I speak. I give me money petit.
Me I.
You malediction.
No, moms. Me I belly.
You devening aveugle. Me I malediction for you devening closer.
No, me no.
Closer is here.
No. No, is Jesus. No. Is I mean I not is Swedish. No.
Yes.
No.
Oh.
Your phone is son, no?
Phone is here.
Yes.
The calling is grand authority.
Yes. I
message entered for here for telephone.
Yes.
Is money.
Yeah.
I call me his telephone.
Yeah. I
Is money.
Yeah, I comprend that. Yeah. Et puis Mams Belleville is call you?
Mams Belleville, I call Mams. I call Mams is here. Is fête.
Oh, is a beauty. Picture.
No, is Musenji. Why? You I fake comme ça, il prend photo.
Yes.
Automatique.
Is
Beaucoup photo beaucoup.
Is a picture, a photo. Oh. Is a beauty, huh? Oh yes. You
no beaucoup.
Petit. You send me is the picture is here.
No send you. My picture is here for my phone.
You give me one
no
picture.
No give the picture. You aveugle. You deafening. You aveugle. You asping.
Cyprian is
posting.
No.
Papa Jago is posting the photo is here for my YouTube.
Oh my God.
Teddy Ngalapa, you deafening is aveugle.
She is me?
Yes, for you.
Oh my God, Jesus.
You deafening vie de loin.
No, like this, eh?
Aina.
Mais Mams Belleville a balancing she samedi.
I balancing I no calling.
Yeah.
Why? I barely sing.
I know
Me, I take it is audio.
Yeah.
I take it is audio. Moms, you barely sing. Samedi is here.
Yeah. Samedi is here, yeah.
No, is here.
Yeah. Samedi is here. Yeah. Yes. You verify. You. Balubaganini, mama.
Please,
Yes.
you're white.
Yes. Because I don't know. I don't know like this because.
Ifunanya.
Ifunanya. Lomage. I speaking. My English is very good.
I speaking. You interpreted.
Yes. Let's go.
I fête.
Fête wana.
I fête.
Azo fêté.
I fête.
C'est I fête. Azo fêté te.
Na l'accent anglais wana ki I fête azo fêté.
Kasi oh mama ka o do tanksia te mama.
Fêti oyo.
Yes. Repeat again. Sorry. Yeah, sorry.
I fête.
Fêti oyo.
Fête is Noel.
Ya Noel.
I give you.
Azo pesa yo.
Abonné.
Les abonnés. Kasi yango na lobi.
I give you.
Azo pesa bino ba mère fan na ba abonné.
The gratios. Gratios
nde ezo komate. Mama.
The gratios.
The gratios. Bako pesa ngata page wana na luka natala. The gratios wana ndezo yate.
Me, I cooking yo.
No. Mam c'est spiritual. Easy question. I no comprended. Yeah.
I gratios.
Azo ko sala bino grâce.
Me no spirit. No Holy Spirit. Me I speaking.
Yeah, that spiritualité te siko azo expliquer.
Yes. I gratios.
Ezo yate. Oko changer ta forme te, mais ça quand même loko, o changer ka forme.
No changing form.
Ay gratios, bango pe ba comprendre kaka. Non, mais bon comprendre, ay gratios, ba comprendre. Eza peine na makamususu na français, na lingala ezala raté. Na anglais pe c'est pareil.
Interpreted is French. I gratios.
Mais ezo yate. Qui peut m'aider là-bas derrière? Hein? Maman, nde ozo koloba gratuit? Gratios, nde gratuit?
Na mon tina au travail na ezati.
Te mam, is question gratuit?
Siko na mayelo ntango yoka gratios elo beloni.
Vient du mot gratuit.
Et alors?
Easy. I coming.
I gratios.
Gratuitement?
Nana baxelioma.
Na katima. Ma wana na katima ma. Na nzambe zo mona ngana chango lisute. Toki na longoli ma wana.
I gratios.
Gratuit, ouais.
I gratios.
Azoko gratuité.
Daddy.
Yes.
You
Mams.
Today. I couping the contract.
Mais si you
Me,
is couping me.
I searching.
My vie is pourri. Yeah.
No pourri. You devenir clocher. You devenir aveugle. Why pourri? I cutted you.
Lady,
No, I cutted it. D'ailleurs, que tout le monde a été dans ta famille, on n'est pas eu autant à syllabiste. I couping automatique.
Sorry, mommy. Sorry.
I gratios.
I gratios. Onzambe. Yo sanga na ba point. Gratuit.
I want to change wapi. I gratios.
Acheli bino ya ofele.
Acheli bino ya ofele uti wapi.
Siko mama. Bon, ofele.
I gracious.
Nazo pe sabino ya ofele.
I gracious.
Nazo pe sabino ya ofele.
No. I gracious.
Nzambe na ngai. Eza na bilo misusu yakate.
I calling for my
Your boss?
My boss.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Say Adasa.
Yes.
Come on.
Yes, Adasa, you, I call me, I emission.
Yes.
What is it?
I finished.
You finish?
Yes.
Yes, you finish. Me, I come back to me, I devening.
Okay.
Hello.
You understand?
I understand.
Hello, Adasa, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Yeah, I'm here. You is who? Hein?
What are you doing?
Mwana tiko mankenga do respect ko to sola kama kambo to sola. Wana nde olingo yeba suni. Hein? Olobi ni loba ngonanu. You speak. You see is a iye.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah, bon, I'm here. I'm here.
What are you doing?
Na utu kosoma balinette mama. Sina lati yango.
Papa, oncle t'a dit I devening aveugle.
Mais atuninga soke sina somi balinette yango na lobi.
I porting is lunette for aveugle.
Yes.
You what?
I devening aveugle.
Okay, I wait.
Hein?
I wait.
Mama nde na komi kolata te? Yango wana.
I wait.
Ouais,
I wait.
mama.
I wait.
Mama. I wait.
I'm waiting for you to come take me.
Hein?
Huh? You seconded no.
You excuse me.
You say kiss is my is no.
Mom's is no cause.
You say kiss man for mom's for no cause is cooking.
Yeah.
Is the kiss?
Is manking me is respect. No.
Yes.
No like this.
Is entourage. Is
kiss me.
Yes. Is me for you. Is the camarade.
I simply know.
I camarade is the kiss.
Sure.
Is the parling. Oh,
kiss no.
Mom's for you is parling par English.
You is finish, Adasa.
Finish.
Il fait pied. Is here identity is maison. Pied.
Is
invertici is maison
is pied.
You is pied today.
Today you
is pied. Pied. You is maison.
Maison is here.
Is no like this. No like this.
You say kiss.
You say kiss me, Adasa.
No.
Is your no cause.
No cause.
On sec note is no cause.
No cause. You manqued for respect the no cause.
No cause is mom's. Fali Pupa is chante. No cause, no money. But is important is matanga. Is a fatty. Yes. May you say kiss me. Why? No. I talk his. I talk his. Serious, yeah.
You talk his?
Yes.
Talk his for Libandis?
Yes, mommy. Spirinto. One. Adas is a monkey is me.
Adasa
is fair pied today. The fair pied.
Is marked for English 2022.
Yeah.
No respect.
Yeah.
No like this.
No like this, yeah.
No.
Why?
No like this, why? I cooking. I enerved.
I silic. I silic.
I silic. You manken. You no cause.
No cause is respect.
No, no like this.
No like this. Coping.